Meet the Transcend Micro, the tiniest take on a CPAP yet. Sleep therapy reimagined for your convenience. Measuring just 3.6 inches and weighing under half a pound, the Transcend Micro has officially taken the title of the world's smallest and lightest CPAP machine. Small in size and big on features. Save on packing space and enjoy all the full-sized features without the bulk of your nightstand CPAP. This pocket-sized powerhouse offers automatic pressure setting adjustments, ramp, and air relief for effortless sleep therapy at home and on the go. When using the Whisper Soft muffler, the Transcend Micro is nearly 20% quieter than the ResMed Air Mini. It's literally whisper soft. Sleep companions and furry friends alike will appreciate the peace and quiet. Say goodbye to the difficulty and extra costs that come with specific mask requirements, and say hello to the freedom of using whichever mask works best for your sleep therapy with the Micro's nearly universal hose attachment. If you've been prescribed CPAP therapy to treat your sleep apnea, you've likely realized how important it is to use your CPAP most nights, even when you're away from home. Whether you're going across town or around the world, the Transcend Micro has you covered with incredible power flexibility. Optional accessories like the all-in-one travel adapter, the multi-night battery, and the solar battery charger make power a problem of the past. Enjoy the comfort of hassle-free humidification with the Transcend Air Mist, the Micro's optional waterless humidification kit. Dry your equipment with the touch of a button. One click starts a 30-minute drying cycle that removes excess moisture from your mask and tubing so you can focus on sleeping over cleaning. No other travel-size CPAP offers this feature. Feel empowered monitoring your sleep therapy through the My Sleep Dash app. Instantly view your sleep patterns and adjust your comfort settings all from your phone. Your My Sleep Score rating will help guide your therapy to provide the best overall sleeping experience. The Micro is FAA approved for in-flight use, so frequent flyers can enjoy well-deserved rest. The Transcend Micro offers full-size performance in a pint-sized package that's easy to toss into your bag. Whether you're an avid traveler or just need a quiet, effective CPAP, this device is ready, anywhere, anytime. Visit mytranscend.com to learn more. Don't just take my word for it. Our happy customers are full of incredible things to say about their experiences using the Transcend Micro.